This has a triple layer filtration system. It's very quiet, so it's less than 20 decibels as far as like sound on this. It has a 4-liter capacity on this thing, so you can really put the water in it. Shows you the water level window, honeycomb filter in it, circulation water, faucet configuration. Okay, I guess it's where the faucet comes down. USB interface, easy to clean. How about that? Let's just go ahead and open this thing up. And this is good for cats or dogs, which I have both. I have a cat and a dog. Wow, look at the size of this thing. This is actually a really big, like, water fountain. Let's go ahead and take this off. You got a little set of instructions. Shows you how to change the filter. So you can change the filter. Well, I'm glad that they gave a power brick with this. Not a lot of companies are giving power bricks nowadays. They have 2 filters to it. Open it up here. There's the little, this is the little spout. Well, that's self-explanatory. That's going to go in there like that. And these, a little cleaning brush. It looks like they give you a little cleaning brush and 2 filters. So you get 2 filters with it, and I think you can get additional filters. Whoa, look at that system in there. That's good. And to put your filter in, you're just going to open this up just like that. And that filter seems to drop down in there like that. There you go. So your filter's down in there. The water's going to be vacuumed up. Oh, they give you an extra little, like, filter ring also. So this cord's going to come out right here. The water's going to be vacuumed up through here, run through the filter, and then it's going to go here and then go back down, run through the filter, and sit there and continuously filter it. Let me go ahead, fill this thing up with water, and let's get this thing working and see what it looks like. So let's do that now. Okay, everybody, I just put some water in there, and as soon as you plug it in, it seems to come on like right away. There's a cord that right there. That drops down in there like that. And there it goes. So it's already starting to squirt the water out. Let's turn it this way where you can see it better. Wow, that looks great. This thing really doesn't have a sound at all. I don't know. I can't hear this thing at all. There's a water, like, here, let me turn it this way. So you've got a part right here so you can see how much water is still left in there, and I just spilled some back there. This little cleaner right here is for the pump, when you want to clean the pump. That looks awesome. It's just a constant filtration also. So what it does, it's sucking up from the bottom, laying them both down and going down inside there, and that's how it works. And then you would set this wherever you want. Very quiet, dogs, cats, and it seems to be about that high. So I'm guessing it's around about 4 to 5 inches high. So even the smallest of dogs, I've got a small dog and a cat, and both of them drank out of this thing, and that seems to work perfect. I like the little kind of tree symbol right there. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the pet water fountain. Highly recommend this thing. This thing looks awesome. Very premium. See you all in the next video.